remove unwanted things from an image, create awesome profile pictures just by one click, and convert your text into speech. If all this sounds interesting to you, then you should keep watching. And if you stick till the end of the video, there is a bonus website that I will disclose at the end. So without any further ado, let's start with the first website. It removes the unwanted object from your picture. You just need to drag or upload the picture here. So once that picture is uploaded, towards the bottom you see there are two tools only, brush and zoom. If you want to zoom into a picture to have a good view of the object which you want to remove, just zoom in, then click brush. You can increase the size of the brush and just use that brush over that object and click erase and then see the magic. So here you go, the object or the person that was here is removed, and you just cannot identify that there was a person here. Even if we zoom into maximum, you see that the quality of that removal is very good. And then you can download these images by clicking these buttons which are on the top. And the name of this website is magiceraser.com. And then this website allows you to create awesome profile picture from your any photo. You just need to again upload the picture here. It will remove the background from your picture, and then it will create the awesome profile pictures that you can select, modify, and then download. So once it is done, you would see all these different versions of your profile picture with different backgrounds. You can select any one of them, and then you can even change their background, and then you can download these pictures by just clicking on this download button. The name of this website is profilepicmaker.com. The third website is called Pixpeak, and it generates the English speech from your text. Let me show you the demo. You need to enter your text here. You can add up to 300 characters in this text box, and then you need to select the voice. But before that, we need to ensure that our grammar is correct. So we used a tool which I am going to disclose at the end. From the voice selection, you need to select the male or female voice. Then I am not a robot, click that, then click generate. So your voice is ready. You can just click this play button to listen, or click this download button here to download. Here is the demo of the voice.
This website generates speech from your text, just like the one you are hearing right now.
So this was Pixpeak.com. So since you have come till the end of the video, as I promised, here is a bonus website or an artificial intelligence or AI powered online tool that helps you to correct your grammar, spelling, and punctuation related mistakes on your writings. Whether you are writing on your social media accounts, or in your email address, or in even your Microsoft Office, this tool is called Grammarly, and it can correct the spelling, grammar, and punctuation related mistakes, just like the one you are seeing right now in this demonstration. It has the extension for all the popular web browsers, and it has the keyboards for both Android and iOS. And you can download this tool onto your Windows, and you can also integrate it in Microsoft Office. I will give the link of this website in the description. You can click that link and download this tool into your mobiles or into your laptop. If you have found some value in this video, be generous to give it a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.